Best strategy in Last Z survival shooter. So we're just going to be expecting that you've just started the game. So let's say this video is somewhat like a beginner tutorial. So the best tips and tricks to level up faster, win more battles, and progress through high tier content efficiently. One of the first things you're gonna put in mind is your heroes. With these heroes, it will help you go through the game itself and progress much easier. So basically this campaign over here. By going to the campaign, it will allow you to unlock more buildings, and with more buildings, more opportunity for you to grow as a player. So just go ahead and prioritize getting your main characters first and one of your very first S tiers. So most of the time, you will be able to get your S tier in your first day of playing. So prioritize on getting that as well. Another is to also join an alliance, an active one as well, since good alliance can still be joined, especially for you if you have just started. Lots of benefits you can get with a good alliance. So we have an alliance over here with a power of 1 billion, and directly we will be able to claim so many gifts from it, common and rare gifts. But again, pretty much depends on what alliance you're from. But don't just be a taker, you have to help the alliance as well, for the alliance to grow itself, and so you won't get kicked as well. So be helpful to the team as well. You can go ahead and help them with their buildings and whatnot. But again, go ahead and try joining an alliance as well. Another thing is to go ahead and build your city. Never waste a construction worker that's not working. So right there, I have a builder that's currently working on our city hall. So it's not getting wasted since it's working on something. There's also a research queue over here. We're just gonna go ahead and use one up so that it's not wasting its time. So always make use of it since it's free to use. And the single worker or research thing is valuable, especially if you don't go buy the new ones that allows you to do multiple at once. So make use of that as well. There's also the resource management, especially if you just started the game. There are times where you can just spend as much as you want, but you're gonna have to manage your resources, especially because you have just started. So don't waste your premium currency on random summons or target key heroes. You can make use of those for more valuable items. Eventually, once you progress through the game, you'll be able to notice that you could have used those resources for better use. So be careful when you're just spending random stuff. So save your summon tickets for featured banners with higher drop rates, or S tier heroes, or heroes that could work with your team. But if you don't have a specific hero yet, you can go ahead and try getting your first S tier. Spend coins and materials carefully as well. So only on heroes you'll know you use long term. So in a campaign level or any sort of match, you'll only be able to use 5 heroes, so it's better to just prioritize 5 at first. And once you're later on the game, you can go ahead and start building different kinds of team. You can also go ahead and finish your daily logins and rewards. Even small rewards can add up quickly. Here as well, the tasks, the main tasks, the side tasks are pretty useful as a beginner. If you go ahead and progress through the game, like you're a higher level, as you can see, the level over here will stay the same. So it's going to be much more useful if you get it in the early parts of the game. So complete your daily tasks, just go ahead and try to be active in game, and it will help you progress much faster. But those are a few things you can keep in mind if you've just started the game. So hopefully the information of this video can help you, and if it can, please like and subscribe for more videos like this, and that's all.